A soft, spongy choco chip base with the choco lava fountain in the pull me up style. Today we are making the trending pull me up cake. This is a chocolate pull me up cake without egg. So, without any further ado, let's just dive into the video. In a bowl, measure 3/4 cup curd, add half a teaspoon of baking soda, mix them well and set aside so that they become foamy. Let this sit in the countertop for 5 minutes so that the baking soda will react with the curd mixture and it will help in preparing a super spongy base. In a bowl, take about 1/4 cup of oil and 1/4 cup of melted butter. The oil will moisten the cake and butter will add the flavor. To this, add about 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Sift the powdered sugar to remove any lumps. Whisk this well for about 5 minutes to cream the butter and sugar mixture together. This is a super important step to incorporate as much as air possible into the batter. Since this is an eggless cake, do not skip this step. Now let's add the foamy curd mixture. Look at how foamy and thick this has become. Give this a whisk until it is combined. Don't worry if your mixture curdles, it will all come together at the end. Now let's move on to add our dry ingredients. Place a sieve, add about 1.5 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of milk powder. Milk powder adds the richness and softness to the cake, a teaspoon of baking soda. Now sift this to aerate the dry ingredients. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, do watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, consider subscribing. At this stage, you can ditch the whisk and use the spatula. I'm just mixing it to remove lumps. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a cup of chocolate chips. Give this a whisk. Do not overmix at this stage as it will knock out all the air that you have incorporated while creaming the butter and sugar. I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 10 minutes. Now I am greasing the cake tin with some oil and parchment paper. If you do not have parchment paper, dust this with some maida so that the cake does not stick to the pan. Now transfer the mixture to the greased cake tin. Tap to remove any excess air bubbles and even out the top. And bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until the skewer inserted comes clean. Now for the chocolate ganache, I am chopping about 100 grams of dark chocolate as well as 100 grams of white chocolate. Chop them into small pieces so that they get evenly melted. Now transfer this into a bowl and microwave it in 30 seconds first for about 1 or 1.5 minutes. You can also melt the chocolate over a double boiler setup. To this, add about 100 grams of fresh cream. The ratio is 2:1. That is 2 parts chocolate and 1 part cream. Once microwaved, give this ganache mixture a mix so that the chocolate and cream are well combined. Remove the chocolate chip cake once it's baked and let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Flip this over and let it cool completely. You can either choose to cut this cake into layers, add whipping cream and then create the pull me up cake, but to keep things simpler, I am just removing the top of the cake and not cutting them into layers. Now place the OHP sheets as shown in the video. Staple them or tape them together. Tape them tightly so that there will be no leakage. I'm just adding the ribbon to make it look cute. Now pour the prepared ganache mixture. Pour this only when it is completely cooled. You can decorate this however you like. I'm adding some sprinkles, golden balls and gold dust. And our delicious pull me up cake is ready. Look at that beautiful fall, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell and I will see you in my next video.